My wife's gonna kind of help lead the dance here. I'm gonna sing a song, and everybody here is gonna step to the left, work together. You're gonna move in a clockwise motion around the circle here. So when I hit the drum, everybody will move to the left clockwise. Work with one mind and one heart. Step, step, step. Applause, ladies and gentlemen. You guys look good out there. Hold your spots. And there was about 3 of you that don't have a lot of rhythm. So come on up and see me after this. In all seriousness, you guys look great out there. I'm gonna turn it on over to my wife for closing remarks.
We want to thank each and every single one of you for coming out today and allowing my husband and I to share with you a small glimpse of our culture and our history with you. In our Lakota language, we have a very beautiful yet very simple phrase that we say. We say it at the end of a prayer, or because it's so beautiful, we say it as a prayer in itself. And what we say in our language is Midakuye Owase. And what that means is we're all related, we're all connected, we're all relatives. Because we believe there's one creator that created everything that's living. It doesn't matter the color of our skin, the language we speak, or where we live in this world. Because we come from that one place that makes us all related, that makes us all connected. And there's a prophecy in our Lakota culture made by a medicine man that's no longer here with us. He said one day there's going to be people that come from all over the world. He says, and they're going to join together in one circle with an open mind and an open heart. He says when this happens, our world is going to become a better place again, a better place to live with more peace, more love and acceptance. And even though we're doing a presentation and we're at Crazy Horse doing a fun social round dance, you look around you just dance in a circle with people from all different directions. And this gives me hope that this prophecy is starting to begin, and that one day our young people that are here, these children, that they can see a world full of more love, more acceptance, and more peace. And so we want to ask if you can take this message home with you, share it with your family, share it with your classmates, with your neighbors and your relatives. Because when we do this, we do our part in making our world a better place. It spreads like a ripple effect all over the place. And we need this now more than ever in our world right now. On behalf of my family and I, we want to thank you for coming. We want to say Palamaye, which means thank you in our Lakota language, for allowing us to share with you. And we want to wish you safe travels in whatever direction you may be going from here. And so with that, Palamaye, safe travels, and Midakuye Owase.
All right. right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for taking time with us. My wife and I will be hanging out. If you guys want to come up and say hello and take a picture with Crazy Horse in the background with us, you're more than welcome to do that. Thank you.